What if these mountains of useless old tires could be turned into valuable oil? Inside this incredible factory, that transformation is happening right now.
We need to sort this pile by noon. Roger that, we are on it.
Thousands of old tires enter this factory as waste, but just minutes later, they begin their transformation into valuable oil, carbon, and steel. Millions of used tires reach the end of their road every year, but inside this recycling facility, they are not waste, they are valuable raw material. The whole tires are now reduced into manageable pieces using powerful mechanical cutting equipment. A much more powerful shredding stage reduces the tire material into smaller, uniform pieces.
This mix looks very consistent.
The embedded steel reinforcement is separated and recovered, leaving a cleaner rubber feedstock for the next stage. Now the prepared tire material is ready for the most important transformation of the entire process. The prepared tire material is now transferred into a sealed reactor where heat will begin separating its valuable components. Temperature and pressure must remain tightly controlled to keep the conversion process stable. As the heated rubber breaks down, hydrocarbon vapors are released and directed into a separate recovery system. Inside the condensation system, controlled cooling turns part of the vapor stream back into liquid hydrocarbons. The first recovered liquid now appears, pyrolysis oil produced from the carbon-rich material inside the old tires. The recovered liquids are then separated and routed according to their different properties. Before storage, the recovered oil passes through filtration equipment to remove remaining solid particles and impurities.
Consistent now.
After initial filtration, the recovered oil moves into a more controlled purification stage. Although much of the process is automated, trained operators continuously monitor the critical conditions. Not every vapor condenses into oil. Remaining gases can be recovered and redirected as part of the plant's energy system. Once the volatile compounds have been recovered, a carbon-rich solid residue remains inside the reactor. Once the volatile compounds have been recovered, a carbon-rich solid residue remains inside the reactor. From one discarded tire, the plant can recover several valuable material streams: liquid hydrocarbons, carbon-rich solids, and steel. After the main purification stage, the recovered oil enters its final treatment section. Here, the oil undergoes additional controlled treatment to achieve a more consistent final product. A final filtration stage removes remaining fine particles before the oil reaches its storage tanks. A final filtration stage removes remaining fine particles before the oil reaches its storage tanks. A visual inspection provides an immediate check on the appearance and consistency of the recovered oil. Laboratory checks help verify properties such as consistency and cleanliness before the oil is transferred into bulk storage. Laboratory checks help verify properties such as consistency and cleanliness before the oil is transferred into bulk storage. What began as mountains of discarded tires has now become a controlled stream of recovered industrial materials. The recovered steel reinforcement is also separated, compacted, and prepared for another recycling cycle. The finished oil receives a final visual and quality inspection before leaving the facility. From here, the recovered oil can be transferred into bulk transport for its next industrial destination. Every stage is connected, from mechanical preparation and thermal conversion to condensation, filtration, and final storage. The transformation is remarkable. A material designed for the road can be redirected into new industrial resources instead of simply becoming waste. This tank represents the final liquid product of a process that began with discarded tires. In a single continuous chain of engineering, discarded tires can be transformed into oil, carbon-rich material, and recoverable steel. Hopefully you enjoyed my small effort to bring you this remarkable documentary. Like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.